The Bush Trail Explorer again. Today I'm on my bike and I'm in the Great Escape Park trails right now. So I found the trail map and we venture into the Highlands more. Stay tuned to this journey for me. I'm riding right now. I have my camera while I'm riding. By the way, I'm riding by one hand if you were wondering. Yes, this is a trail. Actual trail. The Greater Central Environmental Park walking trail. I'm riding here, so wow, I'm the lorry kit. That's it. Oh. So all the way to skate park. This was right there. It is very good here. Ooh. How long does the trail go for? Back, by the way. Yeah, dude, I don't know that. Still says walking trail. Dude, I don't want to get lost. I don't know if no one has used this trail in. I think I'm getting to the end of the trail because that's the highway. Ooh, gotta be careful here. Gotta have two hands here. Yes, I'm very close here, guys. By the way, instant face reveal. If you like my face, I'm just a kid. I'm 11, I'm in year 5. Keep going. That's the footy field. So practice on all the way there. That's the field for the game. Now I think this is the way back. I'm pretty sure. Yes, we are covering the whole trail. If you were gonna ask me earlier. Yep, Greater Environmental Walking Trail. Well, that's near a footy field. Going pretty smooth, this trail ride. Wow, this car tracks. Who would ride a freaking car in here? Dude, that's the broken fence trail. Yeah, I'm up to the same thing. Just gotta get home now when I finish this trail. Dude, I think this is the way out actually. Ooh, large track there. And clear face review for you guys. This is me, Dave the Bush Trail Explorer. We'll definitely do more vids in the future. And if you're watching this, please like and subscribe. I've only got 1 subscriber. So please like and subscribe if you're still watching this. And please comment what you want to explore next. because I'm thinking of exploring an abandoned motel just behind my house. So just tell me what you want me to explore next, because in this channel all I'm planning to do here is urban exploring. See you guys, peace out. And just a warning, next video, I'm posting next video tomorrow probably. I'll explore the bush track near the Greater Abandoned Mines. Peace out guys.